Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm heading off to Islington Station. Today we're going to be riding lines 1 and line 2. We're going to be riding line 2 from Islington to Bloor Yonge. And we're going to ride line 1 from Bloor to Dundas. Because today I'm heading off to Yonge Dundas Square. For those who are Canadian, happy Canada Day. Today is Monday, July 1st. And as you can, there's a 110A bus right there that's heading off to Long Branch. That's the 110 bus stop, and the 337 one, and the 300. And the Rally is liking the buses.
Bus?
Yeah, it's the bus. There goes the bus.
There goes the bus.
There are some more buses over there, which I think I could see. So there are the 50 Burnham Flip and the 37B Islington bus. Yeah. So there is the station right there. We're going to be entering from the parking lot. So over there, over at that section, you can see right there, over there. That serves the 37, the 15 bus, the 337 Blue Night, and 937 Islington Express. And then for the My Way, it's 26 Burner Fort bus. So we're in the Islington Station area. This is the Islington City Centre West area. So here is the bus terminal. Yeah, there's a lot of buses. We're going to be parking over there at this Islington Station parking lot. So here we are at Green Lanes. So if you head that way, that goes to Kipling Terminal and it's Kipling Station. So here we are at the Islington Station parking lot. And I believe it's a weekend today, so I guess we don't need to buy a ticket. Right, Mom? Maybe. Alright, we are here. Welcome. Wow. So the subway is over there, and there's the Kipling Station condos. Okay, we just arrived at the parking lot. Alright, I'll see you in a bit when we get to the subway. Alright guys, we just arrived at the parking lot. So
A train.
yeah, but I don't see any trains yet, Riley. Mom, I'm just okay. I'll be back, guys. All right, guys. So, guys, I think I hear the train. It goes through that platform right there. Oh yeah, if the train goes from there, it goes underground and head that way from Kipling Station. Yes, so I probably heard a train. So that is the GO train tracks. You can see it from here. Oh, here comes a bus. What? Is that Rally? Yeah, it is Rally. There goes the 337, the 37A bus. Woo! Whoa, so this is the area of the station. Did you get a ticket?
No, let's go.
Okay. Is it a weekend today?
Yeah, it's free.
Free today? Okay.
Tara na.
It's free today, so get out. Alright guys, so we are gonna head to the platforms. We're gonna go on the Eastbound train to Kennedy Station. So we're at Bloor Street West. Over there is Islington Avenue. And I think probably a lot of you have been waiting. So a lot of you have been waiting for this video for like 1 year. And finally I made the video. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, it is time to head to the subway station. We're gonna be walking from over there. Okay, I'll be checking. Okay guys, so let's see. Okay, so that way to Kipling. We're right here. We need to walk right here. Okay. Right, I'm good. So yeah. Okay, so we are going to walk to the station.
Press the button one.
Where is it? No, this one. That one. Okay, guys. So there goes a 50 bus.
Bingi ako ni kain ng yuwang kaya kanya ko.
Hold on, wait a second. Does this go? Oh, I pressed it. Never mind. Wait. Oh, it says walk. Okay. So this is the Islington main lot. We are heading to the park. So there is the My Way bus stop right there. There's the Canada flag up there. Look at this. Welcome to the Islington area. Look at that building right there. It's cool. Alright guys, so there's not that many cars today because today is Canada Day. So probably a lot of you are staying at home. Alright, let's wait because there might be buses coming. Yeah, so we are not going inside the... Okay. Alright guys, here comes a 50 bus. Let's wait.
That's the
The
bus go. Let's go, Tito.
Next stop, Islington Subway Station. So there goes the bus. So that's the bus terminal. So this is the bus stop for 37, 50, and 110. And what is this? I never seen this before, you guys. Have you ever? What's this, Mom? Oh, guys, I know what this is. So if you're in a wheelchair, you can enter easily. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. This is also for the 300 Bloor bus. Look, so this bus just turned into not in service. Welcome to the Islington Subway. Okay, so to Subway and buses via station entrance on Islington Avenue. Woo. Woo. Oh guys, do you see that? There's like a flag on the bus.
Because it's Canada Day today.
Yeah. Looks like they're getting ready the buses. So this is going to Woodbine and Humberwood via Rexdale Boulevard in Rexdale. Alright guys, we have to continue that way and head that way on Islington Avenue. So that goes down to Jane Station and Kennedy Station. So over here we have the 337 Islington Blue Night stop. Right here. So this is the bus stop. Yep. There's the buses. Riley likes the buses, Mom. Say what is that, Riley? Alright guys, we are here at the main entrance of the main entrance is through the mall and over there. Alright, so yeah, here it is. This is the area. Alright guys, so over here at the bus stop, this is for routes 37, 50, and 937 Islington Express. So here we are at Islington Subway Station in Etobicoke, Ontario, Canada. So we're gonna get the train. Okay. With Mom. Alright guys, I'll be back. Okay, alright guys, so we are heading downstairs. That goes to the mall. Let's see. Normal service. Do you see this, you guys? This is new right here. So yeah. So we're here. We're gonna head to Bloor Yonge and then we're gonna head right there. Okay, they're not here. Okay, so Nonya went through the Presto machine. Mommy, I'll meet you down at the platform. Okay, guys, so we are here at the subway platforms. The next station is Bloor Yonge. Let's see. Okay, guys, so the train is every 2 minutes. This is on Global News, Toronto's local news. So this is next station, Kipling, westbound to Kipling. What? Okay, eastbound to Kennedy in 3 minutes, so we had to wait. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna rail fan. And I had to tell you something. Toronto Transit Commission, if you're watching this, congratulations on your trains and buses and streetcars. Riley's and toys. Okay, guys. What is this to say? What is this? This is the parking lot. Guys. Riley! Riley. Right, yo. Sorry, guys. The Sherbourne Station elevator is closed between the Line 2 Kennedy platform and the Sherbourne Street. Alright, guys, the train is in 1. Alright, guys, the train's coming. Can we go to the front? Let's go. Alright, guys, it's a standby. Towards Kennedy. Line 2 towards Kennedy. Alright guys, we're gonna sit right here.
The next station is Royal York Station.
Okay guys, so we're on the subway train. We are here. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, alright, so we got in now. Here comes the train, going to Kipling Station. Our next stop is Bloor Yonge Station. So, our next stop is Bloor Yonge. We're gonna head to Yonge.
Arriving at Royal York Station.
So we're arriving at Bloor Yonge subway station. One of the main stations in Etobicoke. Guys, do you see that on the map at Kennedy? It says Line 3 apparently closed.
The next station is Oldville Station.
We're in the tunnel right now. here. So you just heard line 2 towards Kennedy. Our next stop is Jane Station.
The next station is Jane Station.
Jane Station.
Arriving at Jane Station.
Alright guys, the train to Kipling is now arriving. It says the train's coming in 1 minute for the train to Kipling. Guys, I see the lights. The train's coming.
The next station is Runnymede Station.
Next stop is Runnymede. Where are we? The next stop is Runnymede. That means one. 14 more stops. We'll reach Bloor Yonge. There's Runnymede.
Arriving at Runnymede Station.
The train to Kipling is in 6 minutes. Alright guys, so we are minutes away from Bloor Yonge. Let me tell you why they call it Bloor Yonge. Because apparently line 1 is Bloor and line 2 is Yonge.
The next station is Hyde Park.
So our next stop is Hyde Park.
Station.
Yep. Oh, I see the station. Oh, it is so bright. You can't see it. There it is. Look at this. This is cool. We're passing the bridge. We're here. Hyde Park.
Arriving at Hyde Park Station.
Let's see. So buses, Hyde Park Avenue, Quebec Avenue, and Parkview Gardens. So our next station is Keele.
The next station is Keele Station.
Alright guys, we're arriving at Keele subway station. this is the last station in Etobicoke. There, guys. Our next station is Dundas West. Transfer to Up Express and go
The
transit.
next station is Dundas West, Dundas West Station.
The bus here for Keele stations, the one goes to Etobicoke, is the 80 Queensway bus. There's Keele Station and Sherwood Gardens Mall. Now we are arriving at Dundas West. Transfer is available to Up Express, Go Transit, and the 504 King streetcar and the 505 Dundas streetcar. Like, if we take the 505 Dundas streetcar, that heads to Eaton Centre, but we're gonna go to Bloor Station.
Arriving at Dundas West Station. The next station is Lansdowne Station.
Let's see. The next stop is Lansdowne. Okay, I'll tell you how many stops we have to go. Okay, guys, I just forgot we have to go 8 more stops until we reach Bloor Yonge. Alright, guys, we're arriving at Lansdowne.
Arriving at Lansdowne Station.
The train to Kipling is in 1 minute.
The next station is Dufffin Station.
Alright, so our next station is Dufffin. Transfer is available to the 29 Dufffin and the 929 Dufffin Express bus. So the 29 serves Wilson and Exhibition via Dufffin Station.
Arriving at Dufffin Station.
Dufffin Station. This is the elevator. Alright guys, we're moving. Next station is Ossington.
The next station is Ossington Station.
Oh guys, look, I found this poster right here. And another one at the TTC. Now arriving. so we're going slow because it says yellow.
The next station is Chirste.
Oh, I see the
Chirste
station.
Station.
Since the train is from Triple to Kennedy, it could take 1 hour to reach. And guys, did you hear the secret? In 1967, Chirste Station had a fire during a late night train.
Arriving at Chirste Station.
As you can see, this is green right there, and that one is brown. So our next stop is Bathrust.
Next station is Bathrust Station.
There's the speaker. Oh, the train. We're now arriving at Spadina. We're a few stops away from Bloor Yonge, and we are arriving at Bathurst. Transfer is available to the 511 Bathurst streetcar.
Arriving at Bathurst Station.
Next stop is Spadina now.
The next station is Spadina Station.
And guys, let me tell you the secret about Line 3 when we get to Yonge Station. Alright guys, we're arriving at Spadina Station. The train to Kipling is in 1 minute. And there's the elevator. Next stop is St. George.
The next station is St. George.
Here comes
St. George Station.
We're arriving.
Arriving at St. George Station.
Westbound to Kipling, next station is Spadina. Alright guys, so we're arriving at St. George. Transfer to Line 1. Line 2, towards Kennedy. So, welcome to downtown Toronto. You heard that? That was the horn. Did you already say Seacrt about the base station? Base station is actually named Yorkville. We're arriving at base station. And did you hear the secret about base station? Base station is actually accessible now. Alright guys, we're gonna go one more stop to Bloor Yonge. So the next station is Bloor Yonge Station.
The next station is Yonge Station.
So we're now arriving at Yonge, as you can see. Alright, there is Yonge. This is Yonge Station.
Arriving at Yonge Station.
We're here, Yonge Station. Mommy, can we watch the trailer? Towards Kennedy. Line 2 towards Kennedy. Mom, I want to watch the train leave. It's leaving. Alright guys, we're going to watch the train leave. The next stop until Kennedy is Shoreborn. Alright guys, there goes the train. So that was a good ride of line 2 towards Kennedy. So now we're gonna head southbound to Dundas Station. So this goes northbound. We had to head down there to southbound. Elevator to northbound. So here we are at Yonge. Alright guys, so we had to walk. Alright guys, this may take long because you never know. Yonge is the biggest station of all of line 1 and line 2. Alright guys, so this is Yonge. Eastbound to Kennedy, next station Sherborne. So we're going southbound. It looks like the escalator is out of service. Now let me tell you the secret about line 3. In 2022, you may already know, line 3 had an accident because of the, I don't know why, because it's derailed like at Ellesmere Station. So we're here at Yonge. Dundas and Queen. Alright guys, so this is, ooh, there's M&M's, but no Feastables because you never know. There's Harborough. Riley, are you excited to ride the next train? So that way goes to line 2. Why does it smell weird here? It looks like this way to go. Store is closed. Shh. Hey guys, so we're going. Alright guys, so we are going to be heading to the train, which is going to be arriving very soon. Southbound to Union, next station Wellesley. It looks like the train to Vaughan is arriving in 1 minute. Alright guys, the train is arriving. Yes, the train's here. Looks like it's heading towards Vaughan Metropolitan Centre. Whoa. It's here. Let's go.
Line 1 towards Vaughan.
So we're here. We're gonna head to Dundas.
Please stay clear of the doors.
Guys, stop. Sukay na. Sukay mo naman to.
Mommy, Alright guys, so we are on the train. We're gonna head southbound to Dundas.
Next station is Wellesley. Wellesley Station.
Alright guys, so traveling. Welcome on board Line 1.
We're going to
Queen. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna head to Queen Station.
Arriving at Wellesley Station.
Alright guys, I'll see you in a
Doors
bit.
will open on the right.
Alright guys, so when we got to Queen, we're gonna walk to Eaton Centre and we're gonna head to Yonge Street at Dundas. There's the elevator right
Please
there.
stand clear of the doors.
Alright guys, we're going on the subway.
Next station is College Station.
Next stop is College. Transfer is available to the 506 Cartland streetcar, serving High Park Loop and Main Street stations. So yeah, and guys, welcome. It's up there. Oh, they removed line 3 now. We're here.
Arriving at College Station. Doors will open on the right.
Alright guys, so this is what the train looks like. So, let's see. According, 2 more stops to Queen. To the Queen. Line 1 towards Queen. Alright guys, we're gonna get off at...
Please stand clear of the doors.
But Mom, are we still getting off at Dundas? I mean Queen? Yes! Yes! And here's a secret at Queen Station. Transfer is available to 501 Queen.
Next station is Dundas Station.
Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, we're gonna
Arriving at Dundas.
We're gonna get off at
Dundas
Dundas
Station.
instead. We're gonna get
Doors
off.
will open on the right.
Alright guys, we are arriving at Dundas Station. Alright guys, so we're here. So we are here and yeah. We're here! Well, this time we're walking the train. Please stand clear of the doors. It's the Royal Ontario Museum. 8:59. Wait, Mom, we're watching the train leave. There goes the train! And the next stop until Vaughan is Queen Station. Woo! Alright guys, so welcome to Queen and Dundas stations. Yes! I got it. Woo! Guys, there's 507. Chang! Open sesame. Alright guys, we're gonna head. I know how to get there. Follow me. Okay, so this is us right here. We need to head to Dundas Square. So, We are going to use the escalator to Yonge Street at Dundas Street. Bye-bye, Dundas Station. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. As we're on level 2 we're going up. It says Toronto. Wow, look how high we are. Showcase is somewhere down there. I don't know where is it. And welcome to Eaton Centre. All the stores are closed. Whoa. Alright guys, she's on the escalator. Alright guys, we're gonna be leaving Yonge Dundas Square, Eaton Centre. Oh, streetcar! That goes to Dundas West Station. Alright guys, welcome to Yonge Dundas Square. Bye bye! See you next time! Bye bye! Woo! Welcome to Yonge Dundas Square! This is the TTC station. There is Little Canada right there, as you can see right there. And Dollarama, and Cineplex is right there. Mommy, which one? Alright guys, so there is a streetcar heading to Broadview, and that one is heading to Dundas West.
Let's go this way.
That way?
No, this way. You know the Seacrt, right?
Yeah. Alright guys, so
O, dito na tayo
there's
kasi
a sightseeing bus.
hindi nag-ano yun.
Mom, there's a sightseeing bus. I want to ride on that. Alright guys, there goes the bus. And streetcar.
What? Press the button.
505 Broadview Station. So over there, you could see, that's the entrance to Dundas Station and Little Canada. Mommy, that's Little Canada right there.
Let's go.
When are we gonna visit Little Canada? Alright guys, I think we're gonna visit Little Canada in August.
Visit it today.
Alright guys, so are we entering there?
No, here. The university is here.
Alright guys, we're gonna be walking. So we're on Dundas Street at Yonge Street. This is Shake Shake. This is one of the newest stores in Toronto. Alright guys, so this is Little Canada right here. Yeah, it is. Guys, Little Canada's close, but you can see everything. I see a Tim Hortons right there. Oh, sightseeing bus. Welcome to Little Canada, but it's closed today. Woo, that's the elevator. But because it's today's Canada Day, that's why. Alright guys, we're gonna be walking to the university. And I see a Jollibee right there, and I see McDonald's. Mommy, you know that shack that we passed? It's the newest store in Toronto for 2024. Alright guys, there's a Healthy Planet right there. Oh my god, look at that up there. We never seen those before. So, alright guys, so we're gonna be walking. I see a Marshall's right there. We're in Yonge downtown. So this is the area. What in the heck is this place? I've never seen this place. Looks cool. What's in there? Right, it's Jollibee's right there. Malbibs, that's the Jollibee in Yonge. Yeah. Alright guys, so over there is the bus stop for the Yonge bus, the 97. Oh wait, I think we're walking. There it is. We're gonna be entering the Toronto Metropolitan University. Alright. Okay. Alright guys. So we are just outside of Keele's Lane at Yonge Street. So yeah. Yep. So I guess. Where's the university? Oh, there it is. That's the university. This is the TMU. So we are here. Alright, we're here. TMU. Okay. It's been so our travel was 46 minutes from Islington to Dundas. Wow, look at that right there. Never seen that before. This doesn't look like it. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, look at that. Woo! There's Dundas Street East. Streetcars go down there. Alright guys, I guess it's just down there. We need to head down there. So we're going. Alright guys, so we're going.
Yeah, but that water is not water pond, okay?
Whoa.
Just water, okay?
I think you had to enter from there, maybe. Oh no. Alright guys, we are here. This is where the university is. Aha. This way. Let's go! Alright guys, here. Alright guys, we're here. We're on Gold Street. I don't know how to say it. So here we are. Okay, so that would be our travel today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for reaching 47 subscribers. I appreciated that. Thank you everyone. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.